So cold. Okay, ready. Hi everyone, welcome back to the 7 Days channel. Today the title is My Living Room Makeover. So excited. It took me a lot of time to finish it because I really wanted it to be perfect. But I always knew that I wanted to go for an industrial style, and here I can place some inspirational pictures that I was looking at while I was doing the project. I'm inserting a clip for you to see what we are dealing with. I had actually many furnitures in my old living room, but it was far away from having a character and a style. The very first step has been opening two windows above the door because this living room was so dark, but so dark that I live in Greece, and during August I had to switch on the light because I couldn't see anything inside. In the drawings you can see my vision. The biggest changes were painting the fireplace black, introducing a new library, and changing the old furniture for some other furniture with much more character. So here we start. After the windows, the first thing that I did was painting the fireplace black because I could actually tackle it alone. And the chimney is becoming black. The next step has been the shelves next to the fireplace. My idea was creating sort of floating shelves held just by dark chains. Time to stain the wood. The perfect tease to work. The first thing to do is to measure where you want your shelf to be hanging from the ceiling. Then you're gonna anchor it to the wood. Then again we're gonna measure where we want our holes. This is a hole for the screw to keep safe the chain. We see that it's perfectly horizontal, and then we mark it. Okay, now we have done two holes after a measurement. And now we are gonna secure the chain. Exactly after the shelf, we made the chandelier, and I have actually made an entire video of how to do the chandelier, so click in the card that is coming out on the top of the screen right now. Speaking about the library, it has been so difficult to find a library that I really wanted. First of all, I couldn't find a big one enough to cover all my wall, because I have a big wall and really tall wall, around 4 meters. And then it was extremely expensive, everything extremely expensive. So we decided to DIY it. Okay, so even if you don't see so much, we really try to reproduce with the tape on the wall what will be our library before actually doing it. Just saying, don't try this at home. We are trying to build the library. The library is going home. Whoa, coming together. Actually, we're so perfect that we are putting them like with a hammer. Look, so slick. And now was time for the funny part. Furniture! I bought almost everything from a shop called Maison and some pieces from IKEA. I will link everything below, whatever I find available. And here in the screen you can see all the pieces that I got, so you know what I was working with. Da-da-da-da-da. Okay, So it is not so promising like this. I really hope that when everything will go in place, it will be okay. Fingers crossed. Hello! So let's start. Oh, I just broke one nail and that hurt a lot. Damn, it's hurting so much. But it's for a good cause, at least. First review. Oh. Whoa! Yes, yes. Oh God, it smells new. Look at this. Bam. Second reveal. Senilla. Oh my God, what an upgrade! What an upgrade! So happy. So happy, even if I lost one nail and this hurting so much. You are my dream. Reveal. Too good to be true. Too good to be true. Yeah. When I measure and it is exactly that, like the door. Woo! Oh yeah. Bye bye old sofa. Bye bye old carpet. You will find a better home. Not sad about it. Right, Targo? I had actually a couple of troubles trying to assemble the coffee table by myself, but in the end I did it. Okay, here I have a table in pieces. Will I be able to understand all of this? I think so. Actually, they did a really good job, so I think I'm gonna make it. Okay, apparently it was super easy. I had all the power tools, but I don't know, I'm kind of stuck because I should use these. I'm gonna show you right now what's my problem. Okay, so I should use these, but actually when I put this inside, they're not fitting. Yes, I found the way out. And I keep going on. Driving with a carpet, I don't know what you see. Like sunshine. Library, coffee table and rug were done. So now was the time for some funny accessory. Definitely feeling the vibe. These ones are all good. And also super lucky to have all of these chairs for the desk. Hi, this is me, like saving all my money for all the project and spending the most for decorations. So happy about my new purchase. Situation in this moment is not of the best ones, but the things are getting closer to be done. Time to put on the curtains. Double power. Oh, ooh. In this wall next to the clock, we would like to do a sort of gallery of industrial pieces. So first we're trying them here on the ground, and I think that this can work. So let's see how it will be on the wall. And the first piece. Mercedes sponsor us. Came to an end, so now it's the time to reveal you the massive transformation. Are you ready? Go! Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you like this transformation. If you want to support the 7 Days channel, please give a like to this video and subscribe, the red button down there. And see you soon. Bye bye.